Hello, welcome to Abba's Kitchen. I'm so glad you're able to join in today too. If you're new to the page, please do well to like, share. Before you do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel to learn more. Yes, today we're going to look at groundnuts. Yes, we're going to look at groundnuts. We did fried groundnuts in our Kelewele video, so we're going to do the local roasted groundnut. Yes, Nkati3. You're going to go the local way. Yes, so do stay true to this video, and at the end I'm going to give you something special to go home with. So do well to follow the video through to the end, and if you do like it, please do well to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button most importantly. So for our groundnut recipe, yes, roasted groundnut recipe in Nkati3, we're going to need your raw or boiled and dried groundnuts, then some salt to taste, and for the aid we're going to use some sea sand for roasting it. Yes, your groundnuts, you can use it raw or you can boil it and then dry it. So your groundnuts are good for the skin. Groundnuts help with fertility, cholesterol, minerals and vitamins. They are low carb, sugar, blood sugar, they check it. They also help with the colon cancer, depression, stomach cancers, a lot of benefits. So you need some groundnut in your system once in a while. So what you want to do is to first and foremost make sure that your sea sand is well dried. If your sand is not well dried before you put in your groundnut, the possibility of the sand sticking to the groundnut is very high. And if you cook your groundnut and you don't let it dry well, the possibility of it picking up sand as it's roasting is also very high. So if you don't want any groundnut with sand inside, please do well to make sure that your sand is well dried and your groundnut is well dried. So you put it in. Don't cook this over high heat. Just try low heat for this recipe. So you need to stir. This is all about stirring, so that it cooks evenly. If you don't stir, what's going to happen is some part will cook and some part will not cook well. So some part will be burned and some part will not even be well cooked. Now when your groundnut is done, what you want to do is to get rid of the sand. So you can use colander. That can do the trick for you, or you have the local basket which would also do the trick for you. Then you get rid of the sand to separate the sand from the groundnut, and you air it out so that it cools down. Once it's cooled, you can decide to use it like this. Put it in your bowls, your jars, your containers, your storage bowls, and eat it like this. Or you can decide to unhusk it. So when your groundnut is cooked well, you realize that when you move the skin, it becomes brown. You realize that yeah, it's well cooked. Yeah, that's one trick. So if you want to unhusk it, you just pick it in bits, rub it in your hands, or you can use both hands or just one hand. Just rub it in. Just rub it in for start. Then you try to separate the chaff from the groundnut. This can take a bit of time. You need to make sure that whatever you're using, the holes are not too big so that the groundnut will not run through overly. So you can do that quite a number of times to get rid of it. Then when you do that, you're still going to have a few stubborn ones which will not be well unhusked. So you just take them one and you peel them off. And that's about your roasted groundnut recipe. As simple as ABC, and it's very quick. So you should give this a try. Give this a try. It's a must try. I hope you did like this groundnut recipe. I hope you'd give it a try. Yes, your groundnuts, your roasted groundnut, you can use it for so many things. You can use it with your cereal. You can eat it as a snack, and it has a lot of nutrients. So please do well to give this recipe a try. And the beauty about this roasted groundnut recipe is you can use it for your groundnut paste. You can use it for your groundnut soup. You can use it for a lot of groundnut recipes like your Nkati cake. So I'm going to give you a promise of loading a special groundnut recipe very soon. Do make sure you keep your fingers crossed. Do make sure you keep the anticipation, and we'll see you in our next food video as we make every food moment count. Please do live life to the fullest, live healthy, be fortified, and stay safe. Max up if as much as possible too. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.